Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying hardware and permissions. Make sure your phone supports persistent edge lighting and is on the latest firmware. This avoids compatibility issues. Next, charge above 50% and turn off battery saver and adaptive battery because those modes stop background visuals. Install or update the Edge Lighting app and grant permissions for display over other apps, notifications, and auto start so the feature can run continuously. Once done, open the app and choose the persistent profile to begin configuration. You now configure the persistent profile. In the app, choose persistent or always-on mode, then pick color, width, and animation style. These settings balance visibility and power use. Next, set notification filters so only chosen apps or priority contacts trigger the edge lighting. This prevents unnecessary wake cycles. Then enable auto start and the foreground service option, and explicitly exclude the app from battery optimization or background restrictions so the system won't kill it. Make sure to save and test with a sample notification. You finish by validating behavior and addressing failures. Run multiple notification tests and tweak intensity and timing until it looks right without draining too fast. Reboot the device to confirm auto start works across restarts, then monitor battery use for 24 hours to ensure acceptable impact. If edge lighting stops, immediately check that the foreground service is active and re-exclude the app from optimizations. If needed, reinstall the app and re-grant permissions. One key tip: toggling the app's foreground service often restores persistent operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.